Hello friends, in this session I'm going to discuss while implementing the smart manufacturing, which are the different technologies which can be integrated for better decision making. The technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, industrial internet of things. These are the main areas, main technologies which are going to contribute. So let's look into the details. So integrating cloud computing, cloud technology, artificial intelligence, and industrial Internet of Things are some of those areas which can revolutionize the decision-making process into smart manufacturing, which leads to improvement in productivity, profitability. So the first and most important is data collection and aggregation. By using industrial Internet of Things sensors, which are embedded into the machine and throughout the production processes or the manufacturing process line. These sensors can go on collecting the real-time data on maybe temperature, pressures, vibrations, or any other critical parameters which are required to be monitored. Then comes the edge computing. Pre-processes and filtering the data at the edge reduces the network bandwidth needs and enables faster initial insights by doing that analysis from that particular data which has been compiled. Then comes the cloud platform, a secure and scalable platform like Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. These are the platforms which aggregate the data from all the sources, hmm, creating a single source of truth, which compares does the data analytics and all that, and offer you a single source for assured quality data. Then comes the data analysis and insights. Artificial intelligence, along with the machine learning, can analyze the massive data sets to identify the patterns and predict. It could be equipment failure, it could be any optimizing production processes, or suggest preventive maintenance, or it may be even your process parameters going out of the range or something like that, any deviations into that, which is in fact helps you to improve your product quality and have that data seamlessly getting shared across the various stakeholders, like maybe quality, production, planning, all those. That is how that improvement will come. Digital twins is actually a virtual models which are created by, by physical production lines and which allows you the testing and simulation, how this particular process will work at a shop floor level and how that it gets implemented and how those improvements can be achieved. So you can have a comparison onto that also. And finally, this real-time dashboards or those reports, visualizing the key performance indicators and actionable insights, for the informed decision making at all the level, at supervisory level, manager level, maybe at a even higher level, or even from the planning level to quality levels to the distribution levels also, from operators to senior management. This is what is really very helpful. So that is what is the objective of these sessions, to see how those integration of the various technologies can help. Then comes the data-driven decision making. So predictive maintenance is an important area. Artificial intelligence-based algorithms can anticipate process failures or before they occur it actually. So here you can take a necessary precautionary conditions or the action to delay those things or maybe short comes over there, minimizing the downtime and unplanned production losses actually. Then comes the process optimization, identifying the bottlenecks and inefficiencies into the production line and adjust the process parameters. It could be temperature, pressures, quality parameters, and that will improve the throughput as well as the quality, which is what it is the most important thing. Then comes the dynamic resource allocation. Allocating resources like maybe electricity, water, and raw material based real-time demands and production schedules, no, which can really get optimized, by regular critical monitoring through the sensors and all, and which gets reflected onto your optimizing the cost and sustainability also. Then comes the improved product quality. AI-based, that is powered quality control system, can detect those defects earlier, and that is how it can be reduce the wastage and ensure the consistent product quality. Now, this integration of these various technologies will also have additional benefits. That is developing the transparency and traceability into the system. You want to track either a material or a product or a batch or the process throughout the digital supply chain management becomes very easy, and that gives a enhanced compliance from the regulatory point of view as well as develops a customer trust. These are most important thing by building up your brand and getting a customer or the patient's satisfaction. Enhance collaboration and communication. Real-time data and the shared dashboards facilitate better communication and collaboration between teams by improving the operational efficiencies and achieving the operational excellence. Agility and adaptability. This responds quickly to the market changes and the disruption by leveraging data-driven insights to adapt to the production processes. So, what are the challenges and considerations? The challenges are, as we are discussing and talking about the compiling a huge amount of data directly from the sensors and everything, data security and privacy is more important thing. Implementing the robust cybersecurity measures to protect the sensitive data. No, it could be about your material specification, product specification, process parameters, and everything. Those which are their parameters into the transit and at the rest also. Change management is very challenging, basically, because the workforce is used to be having the earlier systems, which may be analog-based systems, silo-based systems, but they have to need to have a transition to the new data-driven decision-making systems. And providing them adequate training and support is most important. Scalability and cost. As we are saying that there is a huge amount of data which gets generated by the sensors and which is going to get stored onto the cloud system. Choosing the proper, correct cloud technology, cloud management system, cloud service provider, and integrate them with the artificial intelligence solutions which you want to use it, when which are required as per your needs and then the budget is to be really decided, which is the most important challenge. So integrating cloud, artificial intelligence, industrial Internet of Things technologies, and manufacturing is a journey. It's not a one-time project. As you go on adapting to it, you will find the data volume, the cloud capabilities. You may have a artificial intelligence algorithm build up. You may have to change, rechange to suit it to the process. You may have selected some sensors, their capacity, their data compilation process, all those things go on changing. So it's not a one-time project which you have to constantly go on monitoring it and improve it. So you start identifying those specific challenges and opportunities, and then how that your technology partners, service providers, or smart manufacturing solution advisors, they go on working. That is how you go on improving all the way. So that's a basic idea which I thought I will share with you. Hope you have got the basic principles and concepts behind that. Thank you. Bye.